Salam and good evening to you, worthy friend.
Hey, worthy friends, this is Zairian Lioness coming to you from the great state of North Carolina, which is closed.
I'm filming, man.
All day, okay? Let's go ahead and jump right into my review of Bestope Makeup Vanity Mirror, sold by Tathy and fulfilled by Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box. Now, I ordered this last year, December 29th to be exact, but I'm just now getting around to unboxing it. It came in this box here and was simply packed in 3 parts. The adapter, the base for some makeup storage, and the actual mirror. When you hear a click, you know you've assembled it right. So easy, I didn't even have to read the directions. It rotates 180 degrees. On the back is where you can find where you will put your 4 AA batteries, the on and off switch, and also where you would insert the adapter. Oh yeah, about those gloves. I'm in dire need of a manicure. Each mirror has its own power of up to 3 times magnification. Also, you can adjust the brightness to your liking by long pressing the sensor button that's on the mirror.
Turn it off!
Alright, so we went over the description of the product, the highlights and features. But now it's time to get to the whole point of this video, and that's to give my critique. I love a lot of the features and highlights. I especially like the lighting. Right now I do my makeup in the master bathroom because it gives the best lighting. I do wear glasses, and of course you can't put on makeup with your glasses, so I take them off. And for me to see very well, I need to be close to the mirror, hovered over my sink. So yeah, that does put a lot of strain on my back. With the makeup mirror, I am able to, sit down and be a little more comfortable. And I do say a little more because, it does have the 180 degree rotation, cool, right? But I'm tall, so I'm still having to look down. So no longer a strain on my back, but my neck is getting a bit strained. So the first recommendation that I would make is to make the neck or the stem part of it adjustable to where it can be adjusted, up and down and be more at eye level. The other thing I didn't like is that the adapter cord thing is really short. That can easily be fixed by using an extension cord. But other than that, this is an amazing product. I love that it's compact. You can travel with it. Very easy to assemble and use. And I do thank you so much for watching, guys.